Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It always makes me feel so happy whenever I say my YouTube channel. But yeah, so those who are new here, I have decided to make YouTube content until I start making money out of it. So let's get started. Before I start the video, I want to sip some water because पहले भी I was shooting few content, kind of thirsty. Okay, so thumbnail लेके सबको पता चल चुका है कि what this video is about. Any one of you start asking me the prices and all that, I don't think I'll be able to tell you because there are a lot of stuff जो शायद यहाँ के Sephora में नहीं मिलेगा. These are the products that I have got from US और ये directly courier होके आया है और oh my god, इतने पापड़ बेलने पड़े हैं मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट लेने के लिए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी कुरियर हो चुका था मेरे घर पे. इट डिडंट रीच, इट वेंट बैक टू कोलकाता एंड देन वापस से देन इट वाज री-कुरियर्ड बैक अगेन. और समहाउ व्हेन दीज प्रोडक्ट्स केम वो से चिंगुड़ गए थे एंड आई वाज like was this product damaged now, but no, none of the products were damaged, so I am so happy about that. Okay, so the first thing that I have got is this Sephora kit. So this is a clean me up kit, as you can see. So these are the ones like why I purchased these kits. I have ordered 2 kits and few different products. So क्योंकि क्या है इस product में मतलब ये kits में जो ना full size products भी हैं और कुछ mini size product भी हैं and these are like budget friendly. So individually if you're gonna buy these products are gonna cost you really like थोड़ा costly, but ये kit में थोड़ा कम करके मिलता है. So that's why I got this first kit, that is Clean Me Up makeup kit, as you can see. So this has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This has 8 products, which out of 8 products there are 3 full size makeup products and 5 mini size products. I'll just quickly tell you what are these. So first we have in this is Fenty Beauty Hydrating Milk Toner. Then we have a Glow Recipe Niacinamide Hue Drop. So these are basically a glow before you apply, you apply it before your foundation that we have. Then we have Kulfi Beauty, brow gel. Then we have Lawless Full Size. What's that? Yeah, we have one contour stick we have. Then we have a lip plumping lip gloss. Then we have a blush from Merit Beauty, and then we have a instant glow toner, and then we have a full size mascara from Tower 28 Beauty. So let me just open, you guys. Actually I have opened it because I had to shoot another content for my Instagram and मेरे इतना patience नहीं था तो मैंने already खोल लिया है. तो मैं बस तुम लोगों को दिखा दे रही हूँ how it looks. Okay, now this, if you can see, this is the Fenty Beauty toner that I have. Then we have this blush thingy, you just open it and then apply it. Oh, I love the way it just applies. You just put it and you can do it. So then we have a blush in this. Then this is a Hue Drop. So see, I have done the swatches on my Instagram and I'll be posting YouTube shorts, so you can definitely check it out. I'm just here to show you guys what are the products that I have got. Then we have a Tower 28 mascara. This is a full size product. Then we have a Kulfi brow fixer. This is also a full size product. And then we have Lawless lip plumping lip oil / lip gloss. This is also full size. So अगर आप ये 3 product लेने जाएंगे, right, this is gonna cost you somewhere around 4,000 or something, more than that. But in this kit I have got this under $50. So yeah, यार ये डॉलर से इंडियन करेंसी कन्वर्ट खुद कर लेना, बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े थे मुझे. Then the next product that I have is IYS or LYS, what do we call it? Sorry, it's LYS Beauty Contour Stick. I don't have a contour stick, so I guess This will be a perfect fit for my wedding vanity for sure. And the last product that we have in this kit is this cutie. This is actually instant bright banana bright instant glow moisturizer. This is a moisturizer जो बहुत छोटा है, but that's fine because obviously I'm gonna be a winter bride, so probably I need a hell lot of moisturizers. So I'm definitely gonna keep this in my makeup vanity. Then the next kit that I have is this Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. This kit specially has the brand that I always wanted to buy. So actually I always wanted a Rare Beauty का lip liner, but वो इंडिया के Sephora वाले पेज पे बहुत महंगा था, तो मुझे लगता था let's just buy Swiss Beauty and Mass Cosmetics because they are way cheaper. But this had a full size Rare Beauty का lip liner, and it also has a Charlotte Tilbury का lipstick. Okay, Pillow Talk range, yeah, it's from the Pillow Talk range, and I actually have this added in my Nykaa cart. मैंने बहुत पहले सोच के रखा था when I'll get married I'm definitely gonna buy a Charlotte Tilbury का lipstick because I wanted to buy their whole pillow kit range that cost around 6,000, but अभी मैं नहीं खरीद रही थी. But in this kit, so I got this kit for $42, so I thought let's just buy it. So let me just show you what are the product that we have. Okay, so the first that we have, I'm not sure if you can see it. The first we have is the Rare Beauty का lip liner. This is in shade brown. I'm not sure what is the shade. मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा, but I'll let it be as if you guys are gonna search for it. Then we have Charlotte Tilbury का lipstick. I mean, this is something I wanted for so long. Okay, now this is from Pillow Talk range, and this is, I have actually swatched it. This is a very nice nude shade. I'm definitely not a nude shade lover, but I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna protect it. This lipstick, like I'm gonna protect this lipstick for sure. Then the next product that we have is a full size Makeup by Mario Watermelon Glow Plumping Lip Serum / Lip Balm. Okay, so these three products that you see right here, Rare Beauty का lip liner, Charlotte Tilbury का lipstick, and this lip balm, these three alone will cost you around $40. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये kit लिया because I do get 2 more products जो mini size है, but who cares. So the first that I got is this cute lip balm from Tower 28. मैं इसमें वो key chain लगा के I'm gonna just carry it in my purse because it is so cute. And now the next one that I have, मतलब I never thought that I'm gonna own a YSL lipstick, but here we are. Though it is a mini lipstick, but still, you can see, right? This is also a nude shade, but this is more towards the brown, which I use, so that's perfectly fine. And oh my god, we do have a YSL lipstick now in my vanity, and I'm so happy about it. Those were the only 2 kits I have ordered, and then I got some individual products. So the first that I have got is this Rare Beauty mini blush and luminized trio. You can see it like over the internet, everybody owns this, and I really wanted to keep it in my my wedding vanity, so that's why I got it. So it has a nice pinkish maroonish blush shade, then a nice peachy shade, and then we have a luminous glow kind of a highlighter, but I don't think that will work as a highlighter. That will work more as a glowy blush. तो अगर आपको highlighter नहीं लगाना है and then you want this no makeup glowy look, then you can use that illuminating thing. And actually ये पूरा kit will cost you around $30 जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है, जो मैंने देखा था. But this I got it on sale for $15, and I was so happy about it. Like flat 50% off. The next individual product that I have got is this Rare Beauty ka Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I have got in shade number 350C. So actually foundation, I'm not a foundation girly, बट मैं फाउंडेशन लेने के बाद क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डरती हूँ ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि यू नो अगर शेड मैच नहीं हुआ, कंसीलर थोड़ा अप एंड डाउन होता है तो यू कैन स्टिल मैनेज, बट फाउंडेशन नो चांस. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई टेल यू दिस इज सच अ परफेक्ट शेड. मतलब मैंने बहुत इधर उधर रिसर्च और क्या क्या करके जब ये मैंने डब्बा खोला तो ये थोड़ा सेटल था. मुझे लगा ओ माई गॉड दिस इज डेफिनेटली नॉट माई शेड, बट आई एम गोना शो यू गाइज. ओके, you can see because this will oxidize and this will become my perfect shade. Can you see that? Oh my god, I am so happy with this purchase. Loved it. Next full size product that I got is this one. So this is a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's instant retouch concealer. It's called as Pro Filter because मैंने इसका बहुत रिव्यू देखा था. So actually I do watch a lot of YouTube videos and makeup reels from like all the international influencers और मैंने उनको देखा है ये कंसीलर लगाते हो and I have heard a lot of good things. ये भी सेल पे था. I don't remember the exact price. I guess $15 या $20 का लिया है मैंने ये भी. So yeah, I got this and this is a perfect shade for me. It is shade 220 3G2 something like that, and this is a steal deal for me and I got it. That's it. Next and probably this is the last full size product that I have got. So this is a lipstick from Rare Beauty. This is called as Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream. Okay, and this is such a perfect matte shade. You can see, right, this is such a nice maroon red shade. I mean, I'm not gonna swatch it and waste it because बूंद बूंद करके घड़ा बढ़ता है. Okay, so this is such a nice lipstick. Yeah, I have actually made some reels and shorts, so you can definitely check it out if you want to see the swatches. So this is the last full size lipstick, like the whole product जो भी लिया है मैंने इस बार हॉल में. So this is the last full size product that I have. Also got few freebies. So the first freebie that I got is this Forest Awakening Body Milk. Actually इसके जगह पे मैंने ऑर्डर किया था Gucci का कंसीलर का सैम्पल्स, which I guess definitely वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक होगा, तो they send me this 4. And then I have got ये भी freebie है. It's a YSL का Precise Angle Concealer. Now they have given me some nice shade range of concealers which I can definitely use it as a, you know, foundation, or like definitely these two will not be my shade, but I'm thinking of using it as a contour. Let's see. I will definitely utilize this. Next freebie that I got is this one. This is a Laneige ka, what I can say is a skincare product. So this has, actually these are very small, these are travel size. So whenever I'm traveling internationally, so next time any which way I'm being told that I should not overpack, so I'm gonna pack these stuff. So first that we have is a Laneige cream skin toner and moisturizer. So this is a small toner thingy. Then we have Laneige lip sleeping mask, small pinkish one, and then we have Laneige hyaluronic water bank cream moisturizer. These are the 3 freebies that I got in these dabbas, and these are actually cute. भाई ये बहुत महंगे मिलते हैं अगर तुम ऐसे खरीदोगे तो. मतलब because of the महंगापन मैंने कभी Laneige के प्रोडक्ट खरीदे नहीं है, but I'm getting it for free now. Now moving to the last product that I have in this haul is this one. So this is a Makeup by Mario ka lip kit. This lip kit has 2 products. So it has a 1 mini lip liner. These are so travel friendly. अगली बार से मैं यही products carry कर रही हूँ और कुछ नहीं. Like every time I have to carry extra luggage. अब से छोटे products. And then this Makeup by Mario का small lipstick. So actually they give for what you can say Sephora का Beauty Insider जो birthday वाले gift होता है. So I got these 2 in that. And these are cuties. I love this. Yes, that's it. मैंने बहुत दिमाग खराब कर लिया तुम लोगों का. So thank you so much for watching if you have watched it till here. And yeah, I am just grateful that I get to make this video because ये मेरा actually बचपन का सपना था to buy products. So I'm so happy and I'm kind of but it's okay, I'm grateful and thank you so much for all of you who are watching. And अगर आपने यहाँ तक watch किया है, I would love if you guys can drop a heart in the comment, and if you haven't liked it yet, go like this video and please share it with everyone and get it subscribed. And yeah, that's it. See you soon in another vlog or probably some another video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy and take care. Bye bye.